The 2006 Ford Fusion. You can have both. Impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, CD changer, air conditioning, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, cruise control, keyless entry, aluminum wheels, floor mats. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.